I really like the Gixxer and the RTR 164V in the modern 150-160cc segment, but I do want to add the Extreme 160R to this list, but my experience is very limited with it. Both Suzuki and TVS have been consistent in updating their motorcycles, and this video will be on the latest RTR 164V that my friend bought in the special edition color. I had no plans of making this video, but after riding it and seeing it in flesh, I thought of pointing out the changes and stuff that still needs attention from my point of view. Let's make this quick and start with something which was long time due on the RTR, a side stand engine kill feature, which is big on safety and hence gets a big thumbs up from my side. Of course, TVS has still retained the main stand and I hope they continue to do the same in the future, unlike the Kickstarter which has disappeared after the first gen 164V. In other addition, we now get a gear indicator on the 164V, plus you can see the Speedo has got a white backlight similar to the 204V. However, TVS still needs to fix the shift light which comes even after engaging the 5th gear. Slipper clutch and adjustable suspension is still reserved for the bigger Apaches, so you won't get them on the RTR 164V. But you do get 3 riding modes, Rain, Urban and Sport, where you can observe small push when you switch from Rain to Sport. Well, the previous gen RTR 164V was always in the Sport mode. TVS has loaded the RTR 164V with features like adjustable levers, LED headlight and Bluetooth, which I feel still needs some work like the single channel ABS, where I feel TVS could have done with dual channel. Now here is a pro tip, TVS retails the RTR 164V with both Remora and Pro Torque tires, so make sure you check them during the PDI and prefer the Pro Torque ones. The good news here is TVS has retained the core good stuff on the 164V, where it is one of the most comfortable machines in this segment with refined yet powerful motor. In fact, over the updates it has got more powerful and the quality of paint and finish has noticeably improved. But again, you will see some cost cutting like TVS no longer provides the oil cooler guard on the RTR. The fuel filter neck is now plastic, which earlier used to be of metal. These are just my observations as I have been a regular RTR rider, and I must also say that once you're on the saddle, the 164V does makes you appreciate for a lot of stuff. And I can still recommend it to riders who are looking for an all-rounder motorcycle. So that's it for this video and I hope you guys have liked it.